Maybe this video will be called, the title will be Golden Hour in Zurich City.
With Leica.
With Leica Q3. What's going on here?
This is Senna.
The M5. Extra crewman today. I took my Leica camera to Zurich. Today we're in the city and we're about to test out the Leica Q3 model. We purchased the camera a couple weeks ago and we are excited to continue using it and testing it out. If you're curious to see the results, then keep on watching.
So another good shot. Yeah, okay. Yeah, like that. Exactly. Stay, that's good shot. Oh, that is very nice shot.
I love your excitement.
Yeah. Cool, cool. Wow. I like it. It's very nice. Can you a little bit back? So. On the left side is Porsche. This is very nice. Stay like that. Look it on the left side. Look like that. Sorry about that, guys. I love these pictures. Look at your hair, it's like in a fire. Yes. Nice one. Like that, yeah. Stay.
What time is now?
5:30.
5:30. We have probably more 15 minutes good light and then we can quit with the shooting. Forward is Bahnhofstrasse, the main shopping street, and here this street is full of bars and cafes and it's usually full of like supercars and super luxury
The
cars.
New M3.
The M5.
M5. I have to. For first time I see this car
In real life?
in real. Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's the new one. Okay, we reached Bahnhofstrasse, the shopping street, but the sun is gone,
Yeah. Yeah.
unfortunately. Yeah, if you're in Zurich and you want to see supercars and luxury cars, come to this street.
Yeah.
You will not be disappointed.
So, where we can go?
We can try this way. Maybe there is some more light left, and then we can try different. Okay, always chasing the sun. There is some light left. See this street?
Oh, yeah. New M3 from the bus.
Yeah, just casual new models.
AMG Turbo.
This is a new M3. Yeah, here. Look at that light. We have some sunshine.
Okay, good.
Evelyn is distracted by all the cars.
Can you give me your mic?
Yes, sure. No problem.
Now.
Should we do no blazer this time?
Okay, without blazer. Okay, we will try here a couple of pictures. Yeah. Okay, again, I like this light. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Playing with your hair. Yeah. No, don't look on the camera. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice one. Nice. Cool. Can you turn on this side, on the right? Yes, exactly. So, stay. No, can you on the front? Like on the front? Yes, a little bit like that. Yeah. Just play. Yes. Nice. Good. Little bit great. Lot of cars. Shots. Yes. Stay. Hey, this one. Okay, good. Yeah, cool shot.
Yeah.
What do you think about this very golden hour?
Probably our.
Favorite. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this is probably our favorite type of shots, golden hour shots. And maybe this video will be called, the title will be Golden Hour in Zurich City.
With Leica.
With Leica Q3. Yeah. Let's maybe do some couple more and then we finish.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, we are moving to our next location. Unfortunately, the light is gone. What's going on here?
Many people.
So many people? Look at that. This is Zurich at Saturday evening.
This is Senna.
And they're shooting supercars. Okay, this was Lamborghini and this is Mclaren Senna. Evelyn told me. Otherwise I have no idea. So is it super rare?
Yes, this is supercar. It's very. Actually, if you want, guys, you can now have Goon Squad have a project with exactly the same car, with this Senna. They bought one crash Senna.
Honestly, I had no idea.
Yeah.
But yeah, look, so many people around the car and shooting. Okay. It's like a car show in the middle of the city. Okay, another one.
This is M4. Coming one M3, very cool M3. You will see now.
The green one. Imagine being the owner, just having a coffee inside and everyone is shooting your car. It's great. It's impossible to film.
Okay, sure. It's nice shot, but
Yeah. Okay, we decided to shoot some shots here by the river.
okay. Okay, we will try a couple of shots here.
Good.
Oh. Yeah. Stay. Stay. Nice contour here. Yeah, also we can try a couple of shots like that if you want. Okay, stay. Here. Stay.
Okay. We're at the location.
Temperature is. I mean, I want to be like that.
Okay.
Nice one. Can you look on this way? Yeah, like that.
And that's a wrap. We finished with today's shooting. We had so much fun chasing the sunlight. Let us know in the comments which is your favorite pictures from today's shooting. Let us know in the comments, and in general, how do you like the pictures from today's shooting. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can do that. Also like the video, and we will see you in our next one.